Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to have you here. Your support means the world to me, and I truly appreciate every like, comment, and subscribe. This journey wouldn't be the same without you. Stay tuned for amazing content, and let's grow together. Thank you.
Dubai Water Canal, a majestic destination for tourists and locals. Dubai, a city known for its modernity, innovation, and architectural wonders, has made yet another remarkable addition to its collection of world-class landmarks, the Dubai Water Canal. This ambitious project, which stretches for around 3.2 kilometers from the creek near Old Dubai all the way to the Arabian Gulf, offers visitors an unparalleled experience of the city's charm, beauty, and vibrancy. From unique waterway cruises to luxurious dining experiences, the Dubai Water Canal is truly a destination like no other. How to reach Dubai Water Canal? Located in the heart of Dubai, the Dubai Water Canal is easily accessible through various modes of transport, whether you're traveling by metro, bus, or private vehicle. 1. By metro. The most convenient and affordable way to reach the Dubai Water Canal is via the Dubai Metro. The nearest metro station to the canal is Dubai Marina Metro Station on the Red Line. From here, you can easily reach the canal area by walking for a few minutes, depending on your exact destination. Another option is to take the Businessbay Metro Station on the Red Line, which is closer to the central part of the canal. From here, you can either walk to the canal or take a short taxi or bus ride. 2. By car, taxi. If you're traveling by car or taxi, the Dubai Water Canal is situated just off Sheikh Zayed Road, making it easily accessible from various parts of the city. There is ample parking available at different points near the canal, especially around the canal's main attractions such as the Dubai Water Canal Bridge and the nearby Jumeirah Beach Road. 3. By bus. There are several public bus routes that stop near the canal. The bus number 28, which connects different parts of Dubai to the canal area, is one option. Ticket price of RTA boat services. The RTA water taxi and water bus are popular options for tourists and locals who want to enjoy a scenic view of the canal from the water. These boat services are operated by the Roads and Transport Authority (RTA) and provide a convenient and enjoyable way to explore the canal. Water bus ticket price. The price for the water bus is usually around 2 United Arab Emirates dirhams to 7 United Arab Emirates dirhams per trip, depending on the route and the distance. The service operates with frequent stops along the canal, making it an easy and affordable way to travel while also taking in the views. Water taxi ticket price. The RTA water taxi is a more luxurious option, offering private and exclusive trips along the canal. A ride on the water taxi is priced at 60 United Arab Emirates dirhams to 100 United Arab Emirates dirhams, depending on the distance and duration of the ride. This private service is ideal for those looking for a more personalized experience or a romantic outing. Things to do at the Dubai Water Canal. Once you arrive at the Dubai Water Canal, you'll find plenty to see and do, whether you're a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or someone who enjoys a more leisurely experience. Here are some activities to enjoy. 1. Take a boat ride on the canal. One of the best ways to experience the Dubai Water Canal is by taking a boat ride. Whether you choose the affordable water bus or the luxurious water taxi, the boat ride offers a completely different perspective of the city. As you glide through the calm waters, you'll see iconic landmarks, modern skyscrapers, and the magnificent Dubai skyline. 2. Walk along the canal promenade. The Dubai Water Canal features a beautifully designed promenade, perfect for a leisurely walk. This 12-kilometer stretch of waterfront offers stunning views of the canal and surrounding areas, including the iconic Burjkhalifa. The promenade also has dedicated spaces for cycling and jogging, making it an excellent place for outdoor activities. 3. Enjoy the Dubai Water Canal Bridge. The Dubai Water Canal Bridge is a marvel of modern engineering and design. This pedestrian and cyclist bridge spans the canal and is equipped with a range of lights and colors that change in the evening, creating a mesmerizing visual display. The bridge is a great spot for taking photos and enjoying panoramic views of the canal and surrounding areas. 4. Visit the waterfront retail and dining options. The Dubai Water Canal area is home to various luxury retail shops, art galleries, and high-end restaurants. Whether you're in the mood for a quick snack or a gourmet meal, the waterfront cafes and restaurants offer a wide variety of food options. You can sit by the water and enjoy international cuisine or traditional Arabic dishes while soaking up the stunning views of the canal. Metro access and nearby attractions. In addition to the Dubai Water Canal, there are several other noteworthy attractions in the vicinity that are easily accessible via the metro. 1. Jumeirah Beach. Just a short walk from the Dubai Water Canal is the famous Jumeirah Beach, where you can relax on the soft sands, swim in the clear blue water, or enjoy water sports. The beach offers an excellent vantage point to see the magnificent Burj Al Arab, one of Dubai's most iconic landmarks. 2. Business Bay. This vibrant neighborhood is just a stone's throw from the Dubai Water Canal. Business Bay is home to some of the city's most cutting-edge buildings, including the Dubai Opera, one of the city's premier cultural venues. Visitors can enjoy a variety of entertainment, dining, and shopping experiences in this bustling district. 3. Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa. Located only a short drive away from the canal, the Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa are two of Dubai's most visited tourist attractions. The Dubai Mall is home to an array of international luxury stores, restaurants, and entertainment options like the Dubai Aquarium and Ice Rink, while Burj Khalifa offers breathtaking views from the world's tallest observation deck, private boat services and more. For those seeking a more exclusive experience, private boat services are available at the Dubai Water Canal. These can be booked for private parties, corporate events, or romantic excursions. Various operators offer services that allow guests to enjoy the sights of the canal in style. Private boat rides come equipped with plush seating, refreshments, and custom itineraries based on your preferences. In addition, luxury yacht services are available, providing a high-end experience complete with on-board amenities. These services are particularly popular among tourists who want to enjoy the Dubai Water Canal in total luxury and privacy. Food and dining options. The Dubai Water Canal offers an array of dining options, from quick snacks to fine dining experiences. Many of the canal-side restaurants and cafes have stunning views of the water and the surrounding cityscape, creating a perfect setting for a memorable meal. Some popular food spots include Pier 7, a multi-level restaurant offering a variety of international cuisines with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the canal. Dubai Canal Walk Cafe, a casual spot to grab a coffee or light snack while enjoying the serene atmosphere of the canal. What to see around the canal. Besides the canal itself, there are many other sights worth seeing in the area. These include the innovative and striking Dubai Water Canal Bridge, the Dubai Opera, and the expansive Business Bay area. The area around the canal is an artistic and architectural hub, with futuristic designs and eco-friendly buildings that blend perfectly with the canal's scenic beauty. Conclusion. The Dubai Water Canal is more than just a waterway, it is a vibrant and multifaceted destination that offers something for everyone. Whether you're taking a scenic boat ride, dining along the canal's waterfront, or simply enjoying the stunning views, the canal provides a unique perspective on Dubai's beauty and modernity. Easily accessible by metro, taxi, or private vehicle, this stunning location is a must-visit for anyone exploring Dubai.